welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Kia. And Kia came out for Kris and she is dealing with him away. She's saying that basically he's saying that when he's coming out for people, he's coming out for them 10 times worse than they come out for him. So she's saying his husband will no longer keep him safe. She's coming out and she's speaking, and she is not going to allow Kazim to stop that from happening. So guys, you have to go ahead and catch the video and hear what Kia has to say about the situation. She mentions a whole lot of things, and you would like to go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you prosperity, peace beyond your wildest imagination, and all that your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, have yourselves a beautiful one. Go catch the video. You don't want to miss this one.
Cake and selling because I don't understand. Tell she I say it out my fucking mouth now. This mother can, before he does rest, before he just leave it to rest and let's go about your business. You still online, but who don't like me? And I when people come for me, I come 10 times worse. But meanwhile, you boasting about boasting about cussing them woman and them 10 times fucking worse. And I here sit down trying to hold back and Keon trying to hold back because of Kazim. Well, darling, your man can't save you again because since you feel your panty real fucking big and you could cuss all them woman and them on social media 10 times worse, take it 10 times in your mother. Can I, Kia, say Keon, pick up the rat in your fucking cake shop in Brixton. Send me a lawyer letter, bitch. I, Kia, is on a live saying, you Kris pants mouth dirty dying, batty man. Keon, scoop up the rat in your fucking cake shop. You bakes with cake fucking mix. And you're on grinder only spreading what people don't want. I'm so scared Kazim get locked up. I'm so scared. Talk about when you make Kazim get locked up for cupcakes in London. Talk about when you make Kazim get locked up for the fucking cupcake and them in London. Talk about Caesar where you fucking bull. And we had the pity and we blood clot phone. Talk about Caesar where you going on about, oh, I met Caesar in the club. You're done married to fucking Kazim. You done married to Kazim, but you go on in the club and pick up Caesar and lie down in bed and you take selfie with fucking Caesar. Caesar is only 16 years. A big old bitch like you clocking 50. Clocking 50. You done in your 40s. As if Kazim wasn't way younger than you enough. You go on with a whole 16-year-old. A big stink dirty bulla like you. Can't see a fucking underage boy and know he underage. And oh, I didn't know. He fooled me in the club. He fooled you, but you get fucking charged. He fooled you, but you get charged for sleeping with a fucking minor. Oh, you lost your visa because immigration. You quarreled with immigration officer. Hush your lying mother cunt. It's only now you stop having illegal people in the bakery. Well, I mean, when people looking for job, the what job? You know how much time immigration busts your fucking doors in the cake shop because you want to underpay staff and you're hiring people who have no documents? Why you ain't talk about fucking that? It's only now because them Jamaican bloggers hire fucking busy. You cannot hire illegal workers to pay them less. That is why you cannot afford to live no fucking way. Because you have to pay real workers. You have to pay people that have a fucking document to work. Remember before is a set of illegals you hiring and paying them half. So the rest of the pay could fucking get you somewhere to live. You is a fucking social media beggar. That's what you is. Nadine, well, I know here in this mother can't on a live about me and about and who cost she just come for people 10 times worse. So I say and we over here trying to play quiet. Nobody don't give a fuck about you pants mouth broken bet. You can't sue no fucking Tina. Your GoFundMe is to beg to try and see a fucking way. That's why you GoFundMe is, and that's okay. You is a fucking beggar and you're struggling no mother cunt. Only happen and set a fucking staff travel flights and trying to go all over on people little GoFundMe money. That is all well and fine, but you don't have. You're fucking broken. Thank God for staff travel and thank God for social media to beg. You nasty mother cunt. Obviously, cake and selling whole day you sit down in a fucking van or whole day you sit down and you live and people boy go on icing a fucking cake. What happened? Business slow? Clearly it's slow. And the GoFundMe bother them. No, you's a fucking beggar. It can't bother nobody. You know what bothering people? You want to play higher fucking things, but you're online begging. You is a fucking beggar and you're struggling to see your way. And that is all well and fine, but that is what it is. Nobody vex about your fucking GoFundMe. Anybody could start a fucking GoFundMe. You know what I vex about? You're pretending you have no fucking purse, none. No fucking purse. You're purseless, thingsless, home fucking less. After all these fucking years on social media begging and all these cake, you sell out done a recipe and you still now trying to struggle to fucking renovate upstairs your cake shop. And you don't own the building. You don't own the building. You now trying to fucking try to renovate upstairs. One shop closed down, an apartment gone, but you're online in commerce. No house in buy. You don't own your van fully. You're still paying for it. You own staff travel. You closed down one cake shop and you lost your apartment. What part of fucking you hot and smart? When last you sit down in your house and eat a plate of food and go live? But you're coming online whole day to be in commerce with people that have a place to call home? Nobody don't give a fuck about you and nobody don't afraid you, you know. It's Kazim was saving you all the time, you know. But you want to talk out your big fucking old rotten chest. But oh, them come for me first and me I cuss them 10 times worse. Well, when you come for me, I didn't cuss you, so I will cuss you now. Why you don't send me a lawyer letter? I on live here saying you're fucking sick and you're on Grindr spreading it. Aye, this is Kia Live. Hi lawyers, this is Kia Live and I'm saying Kris, aka Broken Bet from London with the cake shop. She fucking sick. She mother cunt. She know about cussing hoes 10 times worse. I am here to cuss she. Let she send the fucking lawyer letter for me. Send it to your mother cunt. I'm also saying she have rats in she fucking bakery. R-A-T-S. Rats. That Keon had to pick up when they die. You like social media? Bitch, welcome. You have no fucking purse. It's staff travel. And that is okay. That's okay. But every time you sit on a fucking plane, your ticket is paid for maybe 10 fucking % if you pay so much. So you can't sit down and you never buy a first class ticket in your life, bitch. All the first class you sit down in, you never put your pocket and pay for a first class fucking ticket. So you cannot cuss with nobody that's sitting down in aisle 30 fucking 9 or aisle 100 on a plane because they pay. And them hoes ain't getting bounced off no flight, bitch. Them not getting knock off no flight. You want to post you're going first class, but you have to wait until a seat is available, your mother cunt. You don't fly when you want. You fly when it's available. That is not hot girl fucking. That is not hot girl lifestyle. Hot girl just do what they want to do when they want to fucking do it. Your life does have to go when the next opportunity is available. You have to fly when the opportunity is available, when the space is available, when the flight is empty. Don't go too hard, Care. Remember what the Spirit tell you a while back. Defend yourself, hit the nail on the head and leave them there and move on. Cliff, yeah. No, it's just she. You know what it is with she? She's still going on she fucking platform. Okay, you want to talk. You so can't move on with your fucking life. But everybody who she cussed, she went 10 times worse, and that's why they're mad. But bitch, how come it is everybody? So then Kia must hold back 10 times worse from fucking dragging you because of Kazim. Well, Kazim can't save you since you could go live and talk about they're vexed because when they cuss me, I just cuss them back 10 times worse. Your mother cunt. Well, why you don't go and tell them I start here? You're on live. Oh, all of them come for me first. Why you don't say I come for you first? When you put your dirty stinking mouth in my back and all years ago, when I defended my family, you run out for Keon. Keon never tell you one mother cunt. But we must silent. Move your rat cake mother cunt, your cake mix. Right? Betty Crocker fucking cake mix tasting better than the one you use and move. Every time you icing a fucking cake, if the cake pink, whole week people shitting pink. Tell me a fucking lie now. You want me to drag your mother content serious? I don't know what the fuck you're icing in the cake with, but first time in my life, if you eat a cupcake and the cupcake have purple icing, you're shitting purple 7 fucking days. Like your whole intestine colored. You eat a red piece of cake, you're shitting red weeks. You don't even know if you're fucking sick or you're good. Like his oil paint you're fucking mixing the icing with. Whole week when you eat the fucking icing on God. I just taste the icing for my birthday. Whole week I shitting black. Like his Oreo, like I fucking eat Oreo for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Black like his Oreo I eating. I just taste the fucking cake. I don't know what the fuck he coloring that with. Any color, icing, you're shitting the color 7 days straight. All they need is a slice. All you come on social media to do is make bacchanal and fucking beg. Claim your title. You is not Baker boy from London. You is Jamaican. You is the biggest fucking social media beggar from Jamaica. That claims say she have a purse. Broken fucking bet. That's your name, Broken Bet. A beggar. Why you don't walk around your house a challenge here? Walk around your good, nice, clean fucking place. Put on your live and show me where the fucking your majestic chair is. Put it on and walk through your fucking house. More than 10 years now you own cake shop. 10 fucking years. You don't have a chick. You don't have a fucking child. You have no kids. Walk through your place. Show me your good clean bed. Your good clean sofas. Your good clean fucking kitchen with your pots and pans. Walk through your house now. Your fucking majesty. Walk through your 21 bedrooms in your castle. Where's your castle to hold your royalty, bitch? Where's your castle? Where's the kingdom for the royals? All hail the royals. Where's the fucking queen and king living? Eh? A fucking king and queen in a pack of cards have more house than all you because they could go in a pack. The king and queen in a fucking pack of cards have a house. They stay better than fucking you. You is the first royal with no fucking castle, no kingdom, no roof. But you talk about who does cost 10 times worse. All the time when they was staying up in the little fucking, the little tower place. My like royals. Where carry the royals to your house. Carry the royals to your house. Where you live? Where do you live? You lives no fucking where. No place. You don't live no fucking way. Always trying to paint a picture like you're fucking innocent. You're not innocent, bitch. You're a fucking beggar. A delusional beggar. Not even a fucking cake baker. You're a blight to be next to Auntie Donna. She ain't seen that? The best cake I ever eat from you is Auntie Donna fucking sorrel cake. And I'm not gonna lie, it tastes good. Only to find out is Auntie Donna gave the recipe. Boy, you stink, dirty, dying mother cunt, eh? You feel somebody care about you on the social media and you feel Kazim will save you? I will come here every day and pressure your mother cunt. Send me a lawyer letter. Look me here. I write in Amsterdam, send me a lawyer letter, bitch. No, you can't classy with Betty Crocker, my love. You can't classy with Betty Crocker. He delusional, but he ain't Betty Crocker. That is broken bed cake mix, not Betty Crocker cake mix. Big up broken bed cake mix. You're always trying to play fucking victim. There's only one victim you is. All you know what I mean. Oh my God, I'm the victim. And I'm the... Yes, he is a victim. But not a social media victim. A next victim. I don't like to talk on them things, but you don't know your fucking place and you don't know when to done. That way you don't know. You don't know your place and you don't know where. All them women and them your cousin living better than fucking you, boy. You don't have. I telling you, you don't have to walk through your fucking house now. Walk through your good clean place now. Why the mother can't you walk through where you living? No, he can't send no lawyer for me. I not paying him no GoFundMe for no lawyer money. Let him send the lawyer. He need that fucking GoFundMe right now to try and look for a house. You only bringing fucking shame on Kazim and his family. That's all you're doing. Bringing fucking shame on Kazim and his family. You like social media? Well, you will see what social media does do to you. That way you like social media and views, I will cuss your mother cunt every day. Everything come out your mouth, I will cuss it. You ain't see how you looking a big old stink, dirty fucking old man like you? You ain't seen how you look stressed. You ain't looking like no happy fucking man with a cake shop. May have storefront. And you doing my good front teeth. May have storefront people. Tina Vex become a storefront, but me not good front teeth in my fucking mouth. You don't have a good front fucking grill, but me a storefront. Me a London big bad cake baker. Yeah, your mother cunt. He's a suspect, facts, not a victim. And that's what he always like to fucking do. He like to play, oh my God, it's not me, and these people on me, and these people you don't have nothing for nobody to like. You still see Tina sit down in front of fucking bed. Well, I don't know Tina that well, people, so I'm not being bad. But sometimes when I see Tina chin news,